going, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, I have another unboxing video. I picked up some SCHUTZ boots, fall approved. So if you're ready for this video, sit back and relax. And as always, we're gonna get right into it.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Alright, y'all, I want to thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel and kicking it with your girl. Returning beauties, hey girl, how you doing? New beauties, welcome to the crew. And if you ain't a beauty, what are you waiting for? It's a vibe over here. We got the fashion, we got the mommy content, we got the lifestyle, we got a little bit of travel. What's going on? Hit the subscribe button. Do it right now. Do it. Thank you. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into the video. With full hair, I've been getting a little bit of pieces here and there. I haven't gone too crazy with the shopping lately. Like, there's some other things I'm working on, some other goals. I might share them with you in the interim. But right now, yeah, I picked up a couple of pieces. I haven't done nothing too crazy, no crazy full shopping as I normally do. But I did have to get a review for these boots because I feel like nobody really has reviewed it, and you know your girl gonna give you all the tea. If you don't know, you know now. So like I said, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so here's the boots, the big old box for the boots. I did go ahead and pick up the Maryana Boot, and it's in the snake animal print color. So let's get into these beauties. Girl, do you see them? Do you see them? If this doesn't convince you enough to buy these boots, girl, buy these boots. Let me just tell you, I'm normally like a 6.5, 7, so I'm really good to the T with providing sizing guide for y'all. With this boot, I think I could have gone to 6.5, but I just opted for a 7 because I know sometimes we're dealing with heels and narrow situations. I just decided to go to 7 just to be safe because I just wanted to be comfortable. And ladies, let me tell you, this boot is the most comfortable thing ever, okay? Because you get about, we'll say this is about, I honestly don't even think this is a 3-inch heel. Look how little this heel is. This is like a little bit more of a kitten heel. Up all here for little heels. I don't know how I ever did them tall heels back in the day. No, I like to do what I call an edgy casual. That's a casual wear, and we step it up just a couple of notches. So this is perfect for my edgy casual, or my casual edgy, whatever you want to say, my casual wear with an edge to it, whatever you may have you. This is perfect. It gives you the snake print with the edge. It gives you the casual because the heel is not doing so much, and you can keep these on all day, all night. You're gonna be comfortable, boo. As far as the sizing, honestly, I could have probably went to 6.5. Yeah, the 7 is good. I have room in it. It's not like my foot is growing, but it's cool. It's not like unbearable too much space where I need to take them back. So I'm gonna suggest in this boot, go ahead and just get your normal size. The normal size that you get in pretty much all your shoes and all your boots. These are definitely true to size. It's like a Western feel to it. I don't know if you could tell at the top, it's like gives you this curve top. But then it dips in the front and in the back, so it gives you like this nice like V-shaped thing going on around your leg. I really like this snake print. I have other snake print boots and they're like booties, so I was like, I need something that's more calf length, because you know, with fall, getting into the skirts and the dresses and the trench coats with a nice calf type of boot, oh, I'm here for it, baby. I'm here for it. Yes, this is the boot. The bottom, I did, like I said, wear them a little bit, so they're not freshly out. I did do some like try on video, fashion content with it. So if you haven't seen it yet, it should be definitely on my channel. I do a lot of fashion shorts and get ready with me. So I hope, again, you're subscribed. You're gonna love it over here, I promise. And as always, I'm gonna put in a split screen like around here of what I look like in the boots. But again, if you want to get outfit ideas of how I might style it, things of that nature, just head over to the shorts portion of my channel, because girl, I got you covered. Okay, so like I said, I mean, is there really more to say? I'm here for this snake print. It's like I wouldn't say patent leather. You do get a little bit of shine to it, but it's nothing crazy. And I just really love these boots. I really do. Okay, so let me just give you a view of them. Okay, with a nice little heel at the back. I love them. I love these boots. So if that hasn't convinced you enough, girl, get the boot. It's worth it. Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, Pay in Full, whatever myth may have you, you deserve the boot, sis. Get the boot. All right, y'all. So straight to the point review for you girls, for you beauties. And if you haven't done it right now, I hope you're already subscribed. I hope we here because we vibing, right? And as always, see y'all in my next video. Mwah!
Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing.